নমস্কাৰ স্বাগতম আমাৰ প্ৰিপেয়াৰেশ্যন চেনেললৈ আৰু এই সিৰিজটোত আমি আসাম ৰিলেটেড জিকে ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰিম আপোনালোক সকলোৱে জানে যে APSCত বা তেনে আন আসাম গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এক্সামিনেশ্যনত আসাম জিকেটো এটা অন্যতম অংগ যিটোক পৰা ম্যাক্সিমাম কোৱেশ্চনছ এক্সপেক্ট কৰিব পাৰি ৰাইট সো এই সিৰিজটোত আমি আসাম ৰিলেটেড যিমানখিনি জিকে আছে most probable জিকে আছে সকলোখিনি ডিসকাস কৰিম আৰু এই লেকচাৰটো এই সিৰিজটোৰ প্ৰথমটো লেকচাৰ আপোনালোকলৈ অনুৰোধ যদি এই চেনেলটোলৈ নতুনকৈ আহিছে তেন্তে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিলে আৰু চেনেলটোৰ ভিডিঅ'খিনি লাইক বা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিলে আমি উৎসাহিত হ'ম আৰু নতুন নতুন লেকচাৰছ আপোনালোকলৈ কঢ়িয়াই আনিম সো পলম নকৰি আজিৰ লেকচাৰটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ দিয়ক সো thank you and today's first question is which one is the highest mountain ranges in Assam? Which one is the highest mountain ranges in Assam? Yat kisuman question apnaloke hoyto easy pabo aru kisuman olop tough karon easy holo ketiaba confuse hoar chance thake so hekhini question ami include korisu so prothom question to hodise highest mountain range to kuntu hoy ahomot and that is Borail range. Next question, which day is observed as Rhino Day in Assam? Very important question. And that is 22 September. 22 or 22nd September is observed as Rhino Day in Assam. In which district Sri Surya Pahar is located? Surya Pahar kuntu districtot ase, kunkhon districtot ase? Answer is Gwalpara. Next question, what is the total area of Assam? And the answer is 78,438 kilometer square. Then what rank does Assam hold by its area comparing other states in India? Kiman number rankot ase area wise amar Assam and that is 16 and 2.38% of the national share is contributed from Assam's by area section. Next question, which country can you compare with Assam with its land area? And land area wise amar Assam khonok kunkhon country logot compare koribo paro? Land area wise amar Assam khonok Scotland logot compare koribo paro. So answer is Scotland. Next question, which one is the highest mountain range in Assam? This is a repeated question and the answer is, you can comment the answer, what will be the answer? Then next question, Sati Sadhani was a queen of which dynasty? Sati Sadhani kun dynasty queen asil and the answer is Chutia dynasty. Yate eta question apnalokole agbahaisu Sati Sadhani diboh ami Assomot ki tarikhe palon koru. Answer to comment kori janabole napahoribo. Next question, how many Etutu gompale Sati Sadhani was a queen of Chutia dynasty, right? The next question, how many constituencies does Assam have in its legislative assembly? Kimanta constituencies ase amar Assomot legislative assembly? Our answer hoise 126 constituencies Assam have in its legislative assembly. Next question, how many assembly seats are reserved for ST? Question to bhalke lokkho koribo ST kotha hodise. Okay, how many assembly seats are reserved for ST? And the answer is 16. 16 assembly seats are reserved for ST. Next question, how many assembly seats are reserved for SC scheduled caste? And the answer is 8. Scheduled caste or karone 8 ase. 8 assembly seats are reserved for ST. I'm repeating again. For ST there are 16 number of assembly seats reserved, and for SC scheduled caste there are 8 number of seats. For ST it is 16, for SC it is 8. So these are the questions I'm keeping minimum in this first lecture. If I get the good response, then I will continue with that. And don't worry, within very few lectures, I will complete all the GK, important Assam GK portions. So with this, I am concluding today's lecture. Jodi bhal paise, nishoy like koribo. Aru next video tut ami hunkale log pai asu. Tetialoke take care. Joy Assam.